Hi everyone! Today we are going to take a deeper look to the chapters, a new feature in Opera Job Management. A chapter is basically a label or a category that can be linked to the options and option groups in your database. An option, or even better, a group of options, is a drop-down list containing a set of items we can choose in real time when we customize our typologies in a job. The choice of an option can trigger a change within the structure itself or can just be a text with important information about the typology, the installation, or anything else. We will focus on the creation of options on a separate video. In this example, this typology has a lot of options to choose from, which can be confusing and would let us spend too much time to find the option we need. Chapter feature can help us to improve how to display them, organizing and ordering them once for all, according to our needs. In this example, we will organize them using two chapters, one containing options regarding the accessories, the other one for the hinge options. Let's click on chapters here. And first of all, we create the chapters, assigning each one to a color. The hinge chapter as green. And the accessory chapter as blue. The next step is to assign each group required with a chapter. Please note you can do these steps from the main menu, but we will do directly within a job for a quicker visualization of the results. Let's click on the option groups and we choose handle first. We edit it and we assign to a chapter. Let's use accessories. Then the next, we choose central hinge, we edit it and we connect to the hinges. As you may see, once linked to a chapter, the groups of options are shown in a section apart, along with the color of their chapter. Let's finish with the last one. And even one more. Here it is. Here is the result. We can even improve how chapters are displayed just enabling these two options. Let's see them. With separator, we can detach even more the chapter from the others, just adding a line below the section. Let's do that. And with show description instead, we will display the description text we set up above next to the color of the chapter. Let's see the result. Here is the label, and here is the separator we set up. If needed, we can also force the order of the chapter, just setting the position field on each chapter, adding the order number required. Here's the example. Let's put accessories chapter on top and hinge on the bottom. So accessories will be position 1 and hinges will be on position 2. Here is the result. Thank you for your time and see you on the next video.